Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I'm hearing a lot of people saying, and have been for months, things that they just can't explain to themselves or anyone else that seem weird and inexplainable. So I want to encourage you, if you're having things that are weird and inexplainable that just seem to be going on for you, that you can add them into your TAT work, what I call the pot for short, and just include them without having any explanation whatsoever. Examples are, well, I feel, so these are things I've heard from clients. I feel like there are these voices being projected in that are not mine, and I really want to stop them. I don't know where they're coming from, but they keep saying similar things to me about how I'm not going to succeed, just negative things about me. So if something like that's happening, you can just make the decision, okay, so I'm going to do TAT about that, whatever it is. Or some people feel like there's just this blockage in front of me, and I feel like I can't connect with people. Or I used to feel so connected with the divine all the time, with a feeling of kind of up there over my head. That's what they're saying to me with their hands, and they're showing me. And I just don't feel that way anymore. Well, is this something you can prove? No. Is this something you can measure? No, but you are experiencing it. So I'm saying give yourself validity that your experience of things that are just kind of, what are they? I don't know, off, are real, and add them into your TAT work. People have also said recently, I just feel like I can't take a step ahead in my life, like as if there were cement balls around my feet. So you have that feeling. Some people have a vision like that. Just add it in to what you're doing with TAT. No explanation necessary, no proof necessary. It's your experience. You're the ultimate person who knows what your experience is. You don't have to ever have read about it in a book, learned about it in school, or seen it on TV. It's your experience. So if it's weird, you don't know what's up, you don't know how to explain it, just go ahead and add it into the pot and do TAT about whatever it is. And it's very likely by the end of doing a regular old TAT session, throwing in the weird stuff, you're going to feel better. There you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.